You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, let's break it down for you here. English pronunciation, how to pronounce succumbing. More generally, the B is considered to be silent, so pretty much melted into the M, succumbing. So it's not succumbing, succumbing. You kind of hear the B, I mean, if you pronounce it, this is no big deal. Succumbing, succumbing, succumbing. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.